friends, it's your girl, your best friend, Jaymonae, and I'm back again working with Nadula hair. Yes, do you see it? Period. Y'all, they sent me over this beautiful wig in this beautiful box. I love it. You have to pause it and read it because it was like, yeah, I needed that. Okay? I needed that as soon as I opened the box. But y'all, we're going to get straight into it. It is a 13 by 4 transparent lace. Okay? It is, girl, can we take a moment? Get into it. Get into it. Okay? It was the lace for me. The part was parting. Okay? It is a curly wig. They did not specify what type of curly it is. So we're just going to call it what they said. Curly. Okay? Anyway. We ain't finna drag it out, honey. We gonna get straight into it, baby. As y'all already know, all the wigs is starting to cover this adjustable band, and I just want to take a moment and say thank you. Thank you, because it really, like, helps your wig be secure. And if you like me, you a bald-headed cutie, baby, you need it, okay? Because I take that comb in the back, and I take it up under there, baby, and I be secure. So I just want to say thank you, Nadula, for putting that in your wig. Second of all, honey, when I put this wig on my head, I said, baby, the color is giving me Shakira. It's giving me Beyonce in the 2000s. It's giving me what's supposed to be gave. Like, the skin was skinning with this wig, baby. I was like, yes, honey, I am here for it. Nadula knew what they was doing. So we going right into it with my products, and I will have my products linked down below, because let me tell you something. I have been working with this brand, I don't know for how long, and baby, I just want to say hands down, this is some good product to apply these wigs, okay? So I will have that in the description bar down below, as well as to where you can grab this wig from, because best friend, I already know what you're saying. Okay, Jay, tell us where we get it from. I got you. Just check the description bar down below. And y'all, let me also say this right here. I didn't have to do no bleaching, no plucking, or nothing. I took this straight out the box and put it on my head, because let me tell you something. I just was like, it's curly hair, and I'm just at the point now, honey, I just want to take it out the box and go type of wig. That's what I be wanting in the doula, baby. Y'all lived up to the test, because I was done with this install in less than 15 minutes, okay? Give or take, and that's what I'm trying to say. It was so easy to apply, as y'all gonna see throughout me installing this, baby. I was playing the whole time, and I was giving my whole life, because I'm like, honey, I'm already done. And I had to do something to make this video a little bit longer than what it is, because I was done. This is definitely one of them wigs where I say, if you are a beginner and you want something that's just cute, throw it on and go. This is one of the ones that you should add to your entourage. Like, definitely have this in your wig capsule. Is that called a wardrobe? I think it is, because you still can put it on. But either way it go, best friend, you definitely should get this wig and put it in your, what do you call that? Girl, just get the doggone wig, girl. Now, I'm going to be honest with y'all to tell y'all, this wig, when it came to the forehead part, I don't know if it's the way that I cut the lace or if the wig was just too small for the front of my head. I still was able to make it work, but honey, as y'all can see, I had to go back in and re-glue it down. And I always tell y'all to use powder and not mousse, because powder to me just, as y'all gonna see when I spray this melting spray, watch it. Disappear. Like what a lace in. That is why I say use powder, but you can use whatever you want to use. But yeah, honey. So I'm going back in now. I'm going to tie it down again. And basically, I was done. But I felt like I wanted to get my Shaka Khan on, my Whitney Houston on. You know, big hair don't care. So I had to go in and just see what this hair could do. And as y'all can see, baby, she gets big. And that's what I love, honey. It's coming up on winter time. And honey, I want some hair that's going to keep me warm. Get into it. Yeah, get into it. Y'all already know that I tell you, I don't care what type of wig you get, what type of hair you get, baby. Always cut the ends of your unit. Like, curly hair is going to define the curls more. Straight hair is going to make the hair look more healthier. Wavy hair is going to make the hair look more healthier. Like, bottom line is, when you put a wig on, have a pair of shears or something, a razor comb or something next to you, because you need to cut the hair. Like, it ain't about taking the length off. It's about defining the hair. So, if I ain't ever told you nothing else, best friend, say it with me. Scissors. Yeah. So, as y'all can see, I'm going in. I thought I made the hair big. I'm going in to define the curls. I'm going in with some water and my Nairobi foam. Now, if I was going for like this wet look, then after I get done doing my defining process, I would just leave it alone, let it air dry. But y'all know me, I just told y'all, I wanted big hair. Yeah, that's what I wanted. So y'all gonna see me go in with my diffuser. attachment on my dryer. And baby, we gonna make this hair big. Yeah. Yeah, best friend. Yeah. Like, I know you saying like I'm saying. Like, why did she make her hair look like that? I know. I mean, you can wear it like that. It's real cute. It's giving me very much. She is Puerto Rican. That's what she's giving me. But I wanted big hair. So, again, use that diffuser. As you see it. We're going to go in the diffuser and make it big. Because... Okay, that ain't even Shakira, but that is Beyonce, right? I know. But anyways, let's get into it. Let me give y'all the specs on this hair. What is up, daughters? It's your girl, your best friend, Jaymonae, and I'm back again with another video. So before we get into today's video, I just want to take a moment to say, baby, it's the glow. It is the glow from like the inside that is like protruding out. Listen, I'm just at a happy place, and I just want to stop and just tell God thank you. Like, thank you. Listen, okay? Baby, it's the hair, it's the glow, it's just the overall life. Like, life has been lifing, you know what I'm saying? And I'm just so excited. But enough about that. Today, best friend, I am bringing y'all big hair, don't care, okay? The fall is coming up, okay? It's time to let your natural hair out. And if you're like me and they cut all your hair off in the summer, then you need something to replicate your natural hair, baby. And let me tell you, Nadula hair got us covered, y'all. When they said, baby, they was gonna send me over this unit, I got so excited. First of all, your girl is working with Nadula hair. Can we please get a round of applause? Because, baby, I'm getting noticed. Your girl is getting noticed. Y'all are seeing your best friend grow. Honey, this is another brand that I was like so eager to work with, and the fact that they reached out to me and we are here now, I'm so happy. I'm happy, and I think that this hair is showing it, my skin is showing it, the glow is showing it. I'm just in a happy place. And again, shout out to Nadula Hair for sponsoring today's video. So, let me tell you about this hair, because I know that's what y'all coming for, okay? Period. So, this is their blonde highlight curly wig, okay? As y'all can see, it has highlights. And I don't know who they got up in their laboratory coloring this hair, but shout out to them, because these ain't your ordinary blonde highlights, baby. These have been toned, okay? This has been toned. This is giving I standing somebody's chair and had a professional color my hair, okay? And that's just that on that. This is 22 inches, okay? Now, let me tell y'all the pros and the cons about this hair, because that's what I do, okay? First and foremost, I went for no baby hairs because it is supposed to be transparent lace. And if I would say so myself, it is definitely transparent lace. Number two, baby, it came with this part already like this. I was like, I don't know what they got going on, but baby, they know what they're doing. The fact that I didn't have to do a ball cap and I still got to play like this is chef kiss, okay? And then on top of all of that, I did not pluck this at all, okay? I didn't pluck it. It was just like one of the ones where I just put it on my head and I went, okay? It does come with the adjustable strap on the inside, so I'm not going to say glueless per se, but you definitely can get away with one layer of glue because that's all I use, okay? And it's very snug. So shout out to them. The only con that I have to give to this unit, okay, because y'all know me, I'm going to keep it at 100. It's not a straight out the box unit. Like, listen, y'all, I don't know about y'all, but I know for myself, when I looked to see what type of hair I wanted, baby, I was like, yeah, I had to go do my research. And it was a creator. I'm going to put her name right here because off the top of my head, I don't remember. But when I seen her reviewing this wig, I was like, oh, baby, she done sold me. Like, I want it. Like, I want that. And when I got it, straight out the box, as y'all can see, the curl pattern was not like this. It was not giving big hair like this. What I had to end up doing is I had to go in. I cut me some face framing layers, okay? And I did cut the end off. And as y'all can see, I diffused it, and baby, she's giving me what's supposed to be gave. Like, I am in love. I am in awe. So that is the only con that I have to give. It's straight out the box. You're going to have to customize it to you, which you should have to do with all of your units, but this one specifically. Overall, On the Jaymonae scale, I'm definitely going to give it a strong 9 out of 10. And it's because you definitely got to do a little bit of customizing to get it to do what you want it to do. But other than that, baby, y'all better go run and get y'all one. We'll leave all of the information in the description bar down below. Link to this. And guess what? This is definitely from where? Amazon. So y'all already know what I tell y'all about Amazon, why I love them. It is because of the customer service that you don't have to deal with. Like if it's something that you don't want, baby, Amazon got you covered, if you get what I'm saying. So definitely, I will leave it down below. Y'all go run and get y'all one because, baby, I'm finna be outside with mine. Okay, I already know I'm finna get compliments on this because that's just what she's giving. And I'll see y'all in my next video. I love y'all so much. And shout out again to Nadula for sponsoring today's video. Bye.